The day started with a V8 class, where intense action between Michael Benker and Armand Swartz saw the lead change multiple times. However, it was Swart who claimed the first victory before sealing 2 more wins, finishing with an impressive 3 out of 4 heat victories.
Ja, ek dink waar my kar nou is en soos sê ek het hom al bitter baie uitgesny, gebou, alles. Soos hy nou daar is ek baie happy. Ek kan nie iets gaan verander nie. Kar is ten minste op die trailer gery, so dis 'n goeie dag.
In the 4-cylinder 8-valve class, Terrence Knowles made a strong impression with his blue Volkswagen Polo. He secured 3 out of the 4 heats on the day to claim the overall class honours.
At the end of the day, it's whose car lasts the longest. We had a bit of a hiccup with fuel. My tank sprung a leak. We managed to fix that. But at the end of the day, the car performed well. I performed well. I think of it as me and the car as a team. So we both did well. And my pit crew. I can't leave them out. So yes, today we did good.
Next on the motorsport calendar is leg 1 of the Enduro, taking place next weekend at Yellowstone on the outskirts of Windhoek. Then, on the 14th of March, fans can look forward to double the action as both drag racing and circuit racing take center stage at Tony Rust. For MBC Sport, Crystal Kotze, Walvish Bay.